Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hanum Nur Hamida. I am from English Language Department 3rd semester. Today I will review one of novel with title is Pride and Prejudice. The author of this novel that is Jane Austen, and total page for this novel that is 168 pages. And the character of this novel include Miss Bennet and Mr. Bennet, that is parent of 5 daughters, and the daughter of Miss Bennet and Mr. Bennet, that is Jane, Elizabeth, Mary, Kitty or Catherine, and Lydia. And then Mr. Bingley, that is a rich man who fall in love with Jane, and Mr. Darcy, that is has relationship with Elizabeth. These are some of the characters who often appear and involve the story, and there are also some characters who only appear one or twice, namely Miss Hart and Mr. Hart, Georgina Darcy, George Wickham, Colonel Fitzwilliam, William Collins, Charlotte Lucas, Annette Brew, and Lady Catherine, and Miss and Mr. Phillips. The synopsis of this novel, that is Pride and Prejudice, tells story of Bennet family which has 5 daughters. In English society at that time, marriage was considered very important, especially for women to secure their future. The story focuses on the relationship between Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy. Initially, they are dislike each other due to misunderstanding. Darcy is arrogant and Elizabeth prejudiced against him. And over time, Elizabeth began to discover to Darcy true goodness, while Darcy learned to humble his own arrogance. The novel also tells the love story of Mr. Bingley and Jane Bennet, as well as various family conflicts, such as Lydia Bennet escape with Wickham. And the setting of place and setting of time in the novel, that is setting of place, that is English, especially Longbourn and Netherfield Park, and setting of time early 19th century. The plot of this novel, that is the Bennet has 5 unmarried daughters, so Miss Bennet worries that they will not inherit if Mr. Bennet dies. Therefore, she ambitiously marries her daughter with a wealthy man. And the rival, Mr. Bingley, a wealthy young man in Netherfield, brings new hope to the Bennet family. Jane becomes close with Mr. Bingley, while Elizabeth begins to despair Mr. Darcy after hearing him in reason. Over time, Elizabeth realized that Bennet Darcy's healthy demeanor leads much goodness. The novel depicts various characters whose fathers differ to their choice of the partner. The strength of this novel, that is easy to understand of language and contains social criticism about marriage and social class. And weakness of the novel, that is there are so many characters, so you have know them all character to understand in the story, and the storyline is quiet in some part. And moral values from the novel, that is don't judge people based on a first impression, and arrogance can ruin a relationship, and honesty in relationship is important, and the importance of self-improvement. My comment to this novel, that is this novel is very interesting because the contents of the novel not only tells about love story, because teach about humanity and the important understanding others. There are some parts of the novel that show the love can grow after we are overcome ego and prejudice. Although it took me a while to read because I had to memorize so many characters, but overall it was good. Okay, my review of the novel was finished. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.